So we are taking the fourth problem here, nth derivative type 1 hyperbolic function. So whenever you are saying hyperbolic function, that has to be converted into exponential in case of nth derivative. So here sine as well as cos is there, both are there. So we have to remember that cos hyperbolic function, if it is there, it is equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. This is one formula for this thing, cos hyperbolic function. What about sine? Sine hyperbolic function, it is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. So only change is that in place of plus, minus will come. That's it. Okay. So we have to change sine and cos. So let us assume that this particular thing is y, e power minus x sine h 3x cos h 2x, right? So we have to first simplify y, then we'll find out yn, which is the nth derivative. So here in place of x we are having 3x, right? In place of x I am having 2x. So it will become e power minus x outside. Now sin h 3x I'll convert, it will be e power 3x, because in place of x I am having 3x, minus e power minus 3x by 2 into cos I'll convert e power, now it is 2x plus e power minus 2x whole divided by 2. This part is done. Now what you have to do, this 2 can be taken outside. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 by 4 I'll take outside. So y is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 e power minus x into e power 3x minus e power minus 3x into e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Now what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this and this. Okay. One by 4 e power minus x outside. So what will happen? E power 3x I'll multiply with both. It will be e power 3x into e power 2x plus e power 3x into e power minus 2x. Done that part. Now I'll take this one, I'll multiply with both. Now minus sign is there, be careful. So minus e power minus 3x into e power 2x minus e power minus 3x into e power minus 2x. Done. Now we have having one formula that whenever it is a power m into a power n, it is equal to what? A power m plus n. Base is same, powers are different, you can add the powers. So same logic we have to apply here. So equal to 1 by 4 e power minus x. Now these two multiplication, add the powers. So 3x plus 2x how much? 5x plus e power 3x minus 2x how much? 1x. So x I can write here. Minus sign is there. Okay, be careful with that. This one minus 3x plus 2x how much? Minus x, right? So minus e power minus x. Again minus e power, it will be minus 5x. Done. Next, e power minus x is left outside, we have to take it inside. So multiply again. E power minus x I will multiply with e power 5x plus e power minus x multiply with the second element plus e power minus x multiply with the third element. So be careful with minus sign. So minus is there. Then e power minus x multiplied with the fourth element. Okay, so again the same formula we have to apply. Base is same, powers we can add. So it will be e power, powers we add, how much it will be? 4x plus here minus x plus x is what? 0. So e power 0 plus here minus sign is there. So be careful with that. So first I'll put minus sign because plus into minus it what minus, right? Plus into minus is minus. E power minus x is what? E power minus 2x. Then this two if you add it will be minus sign again, plus into minus is minus, e power minus 6x. So simplified y will be equal to 1 by 4 e power 4x. This is gone, this is 1. Getting y value, we have done just simplification. You can see how much step we have done. You can avoid the steps by if you have a direct answer by multiplying. I'm just showing that each and every step. So after simplifying, we have to now go for what the nth derivative. So the nth derivative will be equal to 1 by 4 outside. Now each and every step we have to now find the nth derivative. So nth derivative of 6 sorry e power 4x plus nth derivative of 1 plus nth derivative of minus e power minus 2x plus nth derivative of minus e power minus 6x. What is the meaning of here d power n? See, d power n basically means the nth derivative. Now we are having the formula for nth derivative. Suppose y is equal to e power x is there. Nth derivative of that is given by a power n e power ax. This is the formula we are going to apply. So the nth derivative is equal to 1 by 4, anyways it is outside. E power ax formula, so a is 4, so it will be 4 power n, this formula you have to see, into e power 4x. Now nth derivative of 1, whenever you are getting a constant, remember that nth derivative of that is nothing but 0. Anyways, don't get confused. If you want, you can write it as 1 e power 0x. You can think like that, but no use of writing, because if you write in e power 0x form also, what is n value? What is a value? It is 0. So 0 power n into e power 0x. Again, it will be 0 itself, right? So no need to write. Always remember the nth derivative of a constant is 0. So this part is 0 plus. Here minus sign is there, be careful with that. So minus you can take it outside. Then e power minus 2x, it will be minus 2 power n e power minus 2x. Again here minus sign is there, so minus you take it outside. E power minus 6x, a value is minus 6. So minus 6 power n e power minus 6x.